Solitech from Portugal. We are a rapid prototyping and 3D printing company. Many years ago, I believe that 3D printing would change the world. We started printing small parts, and we always had the dream to go bigger and print big parts. And finally, with the Caracol solution, we were able to fulfill that dream and start printing big. We work a lot for the automotive industry, printing different geometries. We play subtractive process, gaining in costs, in speed, and mainly reducing our carbon footprint. We are developing furniture and architectural parts using generative design, and I believe that this technology can be used in almost every sector of manufacturing. I think that we still have to work on new materials, recycled materials, bio-based material. We also have to grow to have more capabilities. The partnership with Caracol is crucial for us, for the application support they give us, parameters, the support in spare parts, being in contact, and it's been amazing, and it's a very important part of the success that we have with this technology. I can't wait to have my second Caracol solution installed, and it will be soon for sure.